All right, we're in Venetian Bay in New Smyrna Beach. I'm going to show this property to an out-of-state buyer. I do this with most all my out-of-state buyers. I want to point out tile roof. I like how they did the garage here where it's like a side entrance. Very clean home. Let's take a look inside. Neutral colors. And very nice looking home. I like the floors. Those are real hardwoods. We have a setting room here, some architectural detail. Nice size room. Now you can use that for dining or whatever you would like, formal dining. Some more cutouts. Great room. It's a little dark in here. We're getting ready to have a little storm, so it typically would be brighter in here. And then there's it backs up to a little reserve, so it cuts out some of the sun. But it typically would be brighter in here. Some nice surfaces here. Granite, nice cabinets. All stainless appliances. Then there's your little breakfast nook or sit-in area. We'll walk out on the back porch. This area is all screened in and covered, and it's very long. So you have plenty of room here to have some outdoor parties and things like that. This is your backyard, which is very cool. Nothing behind you. They've built some privacy to each side, natural privacy. On this side, it looks like they did a little better job. This is a 2-story. We have storage to the right and left, mechanical, laundry room. That door goes out to the garage. Pretty much all garages look the same, they're garage. I only show the really nice ones. Master bedroom. That is a king-size bed. Master bath with a double vanity. Water closet to the left. Stand-up shower. And then we got a little tub here, garden tub. Straight ahead, nice sized walk-in closet. And then we'll go upstairs. It's a great size house for a family. Huge loft area for the kids. Or you can make it an office. Very big. One of the bedrooms. You can see the sun starting to come back out, so you can see how bright it is in here. We're not really going to go into this bedroom because there's a lot of personal items in here, but I'll show you real quick. Nice sized bedroom. Big closet. We try to keep the people who are selling their homes as private as possible. Bath, full size. Same thing in this bedroom. Full size bedroom. We kind of sneak in there real quick just because we don't want anyone's privacy invaded. But nice looking home. We'll walk back downstairs and then in the kitchen. Move in ready, and